So this weed whacker won't stay running unless you've got full choke on it. Once you run it wide open, it stalls. I think the primer bulb's got a little bit of a leak in it as well, but I believe it's got some other problems. And all that'll need to be cleaned up. I'll just use a paintbrush and some solvent. Let's see here, clean it up just a little. The old trusty spray out. Make sure my gaskets are the same. Sometimes you'll get them with extra holes. A lot of times that doesn't mean a whole lot as long as the gasket's pretty close to being the same and it seals everything. Should be good to go. Now, pop that little green dude out of there. That should go down in there, and then it'll have this little piece on it as well. Make sure the carburetor's the same. This is carburetor right here. Throttle. That's going to go up in there. That should be good. Now let's get our throttle back in here. Let's see, which way does it go? Right there. Now it looks like what they want you to do is to crimp that. So you see how that right there, it won't hold on to it. So I've got to crimp it to the side. There. That should be okay. Let's see how it works. Okay. Alright, next, small assortment of gaskets. Alright, that should be good. Now we'll get the air breather. It's outside drying. Alright, I think I'm happy with that. See, it had a little bit of a bog in it. I had to turn the fuel, the high fuel, down just a little bit. I think that'll make the difference. New air filter. Kit also came with a